Or is still there? Yeah. Oh, good. It fell out of focus. There we go. I can zoom it. No, that's brightness. I think they took the zoom out of here. I don't think you can zoom anymore.
Want to know what pros everywhere are excited about? This, the Centipede Portable Workbench. It brings a whole new level of
The item tracking is really good, though. I clicked on that chair and it like... Oh, it's not. It's just me. This isn't really that good a video. Can I really not zoom in? It's locked as fuck right now. Look at the top. It's locked as fuck.
Oh.
Let's unlock that.
Yeah, unlock that bitch.
Alright, there we go. That didn't work. Alright, maybe like do this. Oh, there we go. I figured it out. This is a good video. Oh, shit. Yeah, you can see it now. Alright. If you're still watching this video at this point, you're looking at a, I'm not sure what type of bird, bathing in ashes, which I think is interesting behavior. That's a bird, right?
That's a bird.
Yeah, it's in there. It's not moving.
It's laying right there. It's comfy.
And I don't know what evolutionary thing makes birds want to like get ashes all over them, but I guess maybe it's like it's cooling them down, or there's some nutritional value.
I don't think there's any nutritional value eating ash. There it goes.
Yeah, I got that. Ah,
There it
man,
goes, baby.
it looks really good when it's zoomed in. I wish I would have been zoomed in the whole time.
It's topped out.
It's gonna go back. I guarantee it's going back in there. Like, that was good. Let's get some more of that.
Yeah, dusty motherfucker.
Yeah, here we go. Round 4.
Never learned.
Bird brain.
It's like digging in there like a dog does when it finds shit.
Damn, the video quality is so good on this. I'm really impressed.
Dude, that looks really good, yeah.
I think I understand why this phone costs so much now. Like, usually when you zoom in, it doesn't actually...
It's about to get flat. Wings are out.
Star Trek's back on here.